everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I wanted to bring you this festival inspired makeup look. I'm collaborating with some other beauty bloggers, so I will list all their information down below. You can check out their looks, but this is kind of my take on the festival inspired look. I just basically went off a couple of photos that I saw online and kind of just wung it. So if you guys want to see how I get this look, then please keep watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I did just hit 600 subscribers, so thank you from the bottom of my heart to all of you guys. I would not be able to continue doing these videos if it wasn't for you guys. You guys give me the motivation to just keep going. So thank you so much. And without further ado, let's get into this look. Since I'm just getting off work and filming this, I'm gonna take my eye off and we're gonna just start over on the eyes, because you guys have seen my face done plenty of times. Got my wine and let's get started. All right, we're gonna use Soft Ochre from MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot on the base. Just using a Sephora concealer brush. I'm just gonna use it as a base all over. Okay, now I didn't go out and buy like a ton of stuff, but I did get sent the NYX Glitter Goals package here. It's got glitter primer and like a black glitter, silver glitter, and like a jade green glitter. And then also this ultimate palette, except it came broken. So like this was broken, so it was all over the other colors. So there's kind of like a coating on the other colors, but we might be able to use it still. Thinking I want to use the pink because I'm all about pinks. I've never been to like a crazy festival like Lollapalooza or any of those, but obviously Coachella's done, but this can be used for future years or later in the year. There's Lollapalooza and tons of other events and festivals coming up, so I figured why not share this with you guys. Now, I haven't used this background in a while and I'm hoping that it stays focused on my face because I had issues with this background in the past not focusing on my face, so we will see. I'm actually gonna start by using the Jaclyn Hill palette and using this shade here in the crease for like a transition shade. And then we're gonna go in with this pink here. Let's hope there's not much green on it, because green is not what I want right now. And honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing right now. It's just gonna come together, so kind of how every look goes for me. Just start doing stuff and it works out. All right, now this isn't as pigmented as I want it to be. I'm gonna use some Fix Plus. As much as it's okay to get glitter on my face because there's gonna be glitter on my face later anyway, I still don't want it to like smear as I'm doing my makeup, so I'm gonna go in with my shadow shields and use them. Normally I would do this first and then the face afterwards, but since I'm just showing you guys the eyes, I'm gonna use my shadow shields. So I'm just covering my entire lid with this pink. I'm gonna look a little crazy at first. I'm gonna drag it up into like above my crease a little bit, because I know I've said this before, but I have hooded eyes, so when I open, you can't really see the pink. So you want that to peek out at least a little bit. All right, I think that's it for the pink right now. I'm gonna go in with the Pixie collab with Weili Huang. I think it's how you say her name. And then in the color Itty Bitty. It's like a pink shimmery shade. And I'm gonna pack that on the lid. I'm gonna attempt to do this without concealer first. Nope. I think I'm gonna go in with the glitter now. I'm gonna do the glitter primer on the part where I did the concealer. I'm just using my fingers to apply it. I don't know how quickly you're supposed to put the glitter on afterwards, but we'll see. I like it. Last time I tried to do liner over glitter, it was kind of a bust, but we'll see how it works this time. I'm gonna have glitter all over the place, holy moly. Okay, we're gonna try some liner now. Using the Maybelline Master Precise eyeliner in black. Well, that's annoying. This side went on way easier than the other side. Just using this to get the excess glitter off my cheek. So far I just look like a unicorn. I'm gonna go in that under eye area with that same pink. Should have done, I do this every time, you guys. I should have done my under eyes for that. Okay. From that same Pixie palette, this dark brown, it's like a little bit of a shimmer to it, and I'm just gonna go right at the lash line right here, just on the outer corner to darken it up. We're gonna use Becca Opal. That's obviously one of my favorites, that one in the Champagne Pop, and we're just gonna highlight this biatch. All right, we're gonna use some more of that glitter on our cheeks. So I'm gonna use that base. All right, I think I'm gonna do up here as well. All right, I'm gonna put some lashes on and I will be right back. All right guys, I'm back. Lashes are on, my phone died. So I did my hair real quick. Put these little charms in them that I got from Walmart. And then it's just like a mini bun here. And then I have my hair wrapped around a big ponytail and this long ponytail here. So I see everyone do this, so I'm gonna do it. So they usually do like lines of white. So I'm gonna do, all right, we're gonna do that. And then I saw one person with it down their lip, but let's do the lip color first. Hoping this matches. It's Donut from ColourPop, and I think they still carry it. I hope they do. It's gonna be a little bright, but I might layer it with something else. Actually, I kind of like it together. Yeah. I think we're gonna keep that. I'm gonna let it dry and then do the line down the center of that. Use some Ofra setting spray. I feel like this I don't like. All right, we're gonna go back in with just a little more pink. Okay, I just put on this kimono. I don't know if you can see the back of my hair, but I just clipped those little pieces in here and did little of those little ties. I could have gone all the way back down, which I was going to, but I just wanted to get this done so you guys could see. I have glitter in my nose.